Hey, what's going on, guys? So I'm here today working on my EGK2 again, my K-swap. I'm here to drill out this passenger side bracket. I got my special tool. I don't know if you can see that. Little $5 Harbor Freight spot weld drill bit. See how it works.
Okay, so what we got going on right now is I'm going to start out actually with a small drill bit. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to drill in the middle of the spot weld so I can get some kind of guide. Try to get a little center spot for the actual guide right here to stay centered. It's going to be tough getting into this one, so I'm probably going to have to I don't know. I'll figure it out, I guess, as I go. Okay, so I tried to get this one off the spot weld. Don't look at that one. But I went ahead, thought it was a better idea to hit every single spot with the starting points. That way I don't have to switch back and forth between drill bits. I couldn't get to this one because the shock tower is right above it. And it's kind of hard to get to, so I'll probably just leave that one and kind of wiggle it back and forth until it comes free. But now that I have all the starting points on it, I'm gonna go ahead and switch back to my special drill bit and for the spot weld and get it out. All right, so I have all of the welds drilled out. The only one I have left is this one in the corner. I think I'm just gonna wiggle it out. Hopefully it breaks loose, but we'll see. If not, I'll get probably like a little chisel, hammer, air hammer or something, and do a little bit of body work when it's all the way out.
So after about like 20 wiggles, it came out
pretty freely. And just left a little hole, but I'm not too worried about it. I probably grind it down and put a little weld spot right there, smoothing it out, but we'll see. We got the bay prepped up, we got the mounts sitting there. Unfortunately, we have some issues. If you look underneath, I don't know if you can see it, but the holes don't quite line up. And I don't know if I want to use them. They're Avid racing mounts. I did a lot of reviews, read some reviews, and a lot of people said that they're just cheap, poorly made. And I think I might have to source some Hasbro mounts or hybrid racing mounts.